Welcome back, students. In the last class, we had just discussed a few basic concepts in geometry. Now let us take the chapter ahead. Write down the subheading as distance between 2 points. Distance between 2 points. Okay. Write the subheading as distance between 2 points. And then we'll draw a number line. I want you also to draw with me. We have a number line. We have 0 onto the right side, positive numbers, onto the left side, negative numbers. Okay, so this is a number line. Now on the number line, I'll show some points. As I like, I can give any name to the points. P, Q, Z, R. Okay. Now if you look at this number line, you can easily make out that point Q represents which number? Point Q represents 4. So this 4 is called as coordinate of a point. Okay. So write down 4 is the coordinate of point Q. 4 is the coordinate of point Q. I repeat, point Q represents the number 4. This number we call it as coordinate. In number line we call it as coordinate. So what is the coordinate of B? Look and say, what is the coordinate of B? 3. 3 is the coordinate of point B. Okay. What is the coordinate of Z? -1. -1 is the coordinate of point Z. That also you write. -1 is the coordinate of point Z. The same way, the reverse can be asked. Which point represents 2? Point P. Okay? Understood, no? Points and coordinates. Easy? Now we will find out the distance between 2 points. For example, if you have a Q, you have a B, I can find out the distance between Q and B, or BQ I can say, distance between any 2 points on a number line. Okay. So let us find out distance between any 2 points. Now in this number line, I'll select point B and point A. Let us find out distance between points B and A. Or I can call it as distance between points A and B. That any way you can write. A to B or B to A. What will be the steps? Please pay attention. First you will write down coordinate of point A. Coordinate of point A equal to, tell me, what is the coordinate of point A? 1. Next, coordinate of point B. Coordinate of point B. Coordinate of point B is 3. Next step, which coordinate is greater? That you have to find. 1 is greater or 3 is greater? Write down the, compare 1 and 3. Which one is greater? Obviously 3. So put the greater sign. Okay. Therefore, 3 is greater than 1. So therefore, distance between, the small d you will read it as distance between which 2 points? A comma B equal to bigger coordinate minus smaller coordinate. Bigger number minus smaller number. So bigger number is 3. 3 minus 1, which is equal to 2. So what is the distance between A and B? A comma B or B comma A. The distance is equal to 2 units. Just 2 you can. Understood? It's so simple. So in this way we can find distance between any 2 points on the number line. For that, you will first find out which coordinate is greater than the other. subtract the smaller number from the bigger number. You get distance between any two points on a number line. Okay. Okay, so let us start with the practice set 1.1. I have drawn the number line. You also copy the number line given in the textbook. Now the question is, find the distances with the help of the number line given below. Let us find out the distance between the points that is asked. First question, distance between B, comma E. Will you read it as? First question is, distance between B, comma E. Distance between points B and E. First, locate where is B. B is here. If you want, you can highlight it with the pencil. B is here. So you will write coordinate of point B equal to 2. Coordinate of point B equal to 2. Next, steps will be the same for any sum where you are finding distance. Okay. Coordinate of point, which is the next point asked, E. Find out where is E. E is here. The coordinate is 5. Next step is, which number is greater than the other? 2 and 5. Which is greater? 5 is greater. Therefore, 5 is greater than 2. So, what will be the distance? Therefore, distance between B, comma E is equal to 5 minus 2, which is equal to 3 units. Distance between B, comma E is equal to 5 minus 2, 3 units. Hope you all understand. Very, very simple. Okay. Bigger number minus smaller number will give you the distance between any two points. Now let's go on to the second sum. Distance between points J, comma A. Same steps. Coordinate of point J. Come on, you write. Coordinate of point J. What is the coordinate of J? J is here. Coordinate of point J minus 2. Solve with me. Coordinate of point J minus 2. Next, coordinate of, which is the next point? A. Coordinate of point A equal to, A's coordinate is 1. Therefore, which number is greater than the other? Minus 2 and 1. Which is greater? We all know that negative numbers are always smaller than positive numbers. So here this is a negative number and this is a positive number. So obviously positive number 1 will be greater than minus 2. So therefore distance between J, comma A equal to bigger number is 1 minus smaller number. Smaller number is minus 2, which is equal to 1. Minus into minus is plus 2. Okay. 1 I wrote as it is. Minus and minus is plus and 2. 1 plus 2 is again 3. So what is the distance between J, comma A? Distance between J, comma A is also 3. Now let's move on to the third sum. Distance between P and C. P and C. Same steps. Coordinate of point P minus 4. Coordinate of point P. All should solve with me. Coordinate of point P equal to minus 4. Coordinate of point C is equal to, where is C? Yes, 3. 3. Therefore, which number is greater than the other? Minus 4 is first number and 3 again negative and positive number. So obviously positive number will be greater. So therefore distance between points P and C is equal to bigger number 3 minus smaller number, which is minus 4. Again here when you have two signs, you have to separate it with the bracket. Now we all know that. So minus and minus will be plus. So we are getting 3 plus 4, which is equal to 7. So final answer you will write and put it in box. Distance between P, comma C equal to 7. Now the fourth sum, distance between J and H. I want you to solve it and then check it later. Distance between J and H, coordinate of point J is equal to -2. I had already highlighted J. Same way, coordinate of point H is equal to, where is H? H coordinate is -1. Now both are negative numbers, so -2 for -1, which is greater than the other. -2 and -1, which one is greater number? It's the reverse for negative numbers, no? If it was positive numbers, 2 will be greater than 1. But for negative numbers, -1 is greater than -2. So greater sign will go for -1. Last step. Therefore, distance between J comma H is equal to, distance between J comma H is equal to, bigger number is -1. Be careful. Minus, smaller number is -2. See, I have separated with bracket. So, if you solve it further, what will you get? -1. Minus and minus will become plus 2, which is equal to, again you have a minus and a plus. Minus into plus is minus. Subtract now 2 minus 1 is 1. Which is greater number, 1 or 2? Number is 2 and its sign is plus. So our answer is 1. Distance between J comma H is equal to 1. Once again I repeat, minus into minus plus, okay? Again you have minus and plus, minus into plus minus, so you will do subtraction. 2 minus 1 is 1, after that you have to put the sign of the bigger number. 1 and 2, which is bigger? 2 is bigger and its sign is plus. So plus. So you have with the fifth sum, distance between K and O. O means the origin, no? The coordinate of O is 0. The coordinate of K is -3. Look into the number line. The coordinate of K is -3. So start same way. Coordinate of point K equal to -3. Coordinate of point O is equal to 0. Therefore, -3 and 0, which is greater number? Negative number and 0. 0 is greater. Now, therefore, distance between K comma O is equal to bigger number 0 minus smaller number, that is -3. Now again minus and minus will become plus. So 0 plus 3 is equal to 3. Therefore, distance between, final answer you put it in a box, okay? Therefore, distance between K comma O is equal to 3. Final answer, you highlight and put it in a box like this. Fine? Now after this, the remaining sums now you can solve on your own. That is 6th, 7th and 8th. Same way. Distance between O and E. O's coordinate is 0. E's coordinate is 5. In your mind also you can calculate 0 and 5. Which is greater? 5 is greater. And greater number, 5 minus 0 will be 5. So that answer is 5. Next, distance between P and J. P -4 and J's coordinate is -2. Compare -4 and -2. Which is greater number? -2. So -2 minus -4. This way you will solve. Minus and minus will become plus. -2 plus 4. Again, minus into plus is minus. 4 minus 2 you will get 2. Then you will put the sign of the bigger number. 4 is bigger here. The sign is plus. So our answer will be 2. Try it out. And last one, distance between Q comma B. Okay. So that 4 sums, you have 3 sums. You have to do, complete it. Now we'll go on to the second question in practice set 1.1. See the question. If the x coordinate, if the coordinate of A is x and B is y, find the distance between A and B. In practice set 1.1, the second sum is, if coordinate of A is x and that of B is y, find the distance between A and B. Now in the previous sum, they had given us a number line. Now here, they are not giving us the number line. They are only saying what is the coordinate of A and coordinate of another point B. Just we have to find out the distance between A and B. Very easy. Okay. Same method. We will start with coordinate of A, point A, or only A, no problem. Coordinate of point A is equal to x, which is 1. Coordinate of point B equal to y, which is 7. Therefore, if you want to find the distance, you will find out which one is greater. 1 and 7, 7 is greater. Next step, therefore distance between A and B. Distance between A and B will be the bigger coordinate, the greater coordinate 7 minus the smaller coordinate 1. 7 minus 1 is equal to 6. You will highlight your answer. Distance between A, comma B equal to 6, or you can write 6 units. Simple. Okay. Copy. Now I have written the second and the third question. Find the distance between A and B. X equal to 6. So you will write coordinate of point A equal to 6. Coordinate of point A equal to 6. Coordinate of point B equal to minus 2. Then compare 6 and minus 2. Which is greater number? Obviously 6. So therefore, distance between A comma B is equal to bigger number 6 minus 2. Minus and minus plus. So 6 plus 2 equal to 8. Therefore, final answer, distance between A comma B is equal to 8. Put it in a box. Be happy. Okay. Now next sum. Similarly, you will solve. I will guide. I want you to solve. First step you will write coordinate of point A equal to minus 3. Coordinate of point B equal to 7. Therefore, minus 3 and 7, the greater number is 7. Therefore, distance between A comma B is equal to bigger number 7 minus 3, which is equal to 7. Minus and minus will become plus. Minus into minus is plus 3. 7 plus 3 is 10. So final answer, therefore distance between A comma B is equal to 10. That's it. And this type of sums will surely definitely come for your exam. Okay. So this you all should know. That's why same method, but too many sums we solved. Fine. Now we'll solve the fourth sum. The fourth sum, x is equal to minus 4, y is equal to minus 5. Before me, you should get the answer. Huh? Come on. Coordinate of A equal to minus 4. Coordinate of B is equal to minus 5. 4 and minus 5, the greater number is 4. Minus 4. Sorry, yeah. Minus 4 and minus 5, the greater number is minus 4. Correct, no? Copied the question correctly. Therefore, distance between A comma B is equal to bigger number minus 4 minus, be careful, smaller number minus 5. Now first solve these two signs. So minus 4 I will write as it is. Minus and minus will become plus 5. Now again you have minus and plus. So in your mind you will calculate minus into plus is minus. So we will subtract. 5 minus 4 is 1. Which is bigger number? 5 or 4? 5. Its sign is plus. No need to put that plus. So therefore distance between A comma B is 1. Highlight your answer. Be happy. Similarly, you will solve the fifth and the sixth sum. 2 sums. Okay, in the same format. So we have completed today how to find out distance between any 2 points on a number line. Hope you understood. Till we meet for the next time. Take care. Bye.